This is just a few of the things that we do to get ready for our lobster season.
Putting the plastics on, chiefers.
These ones have the pre-drilled holes. We've never had the luxury of that before.
Nice. Sweet. Just cut the triangle out of this, you know. Whatever degree that is. Perfect. That's what it is. Man.
You hanging out in the barn with Mom and Dad? Rusty? And the neighbor's cat, Lucifer? We have been building our own boat and it's finally got in the water. It has a new 494 horsepower Cummins. Tomorrow is the big day. Everybody's setting in District 33 and 34.